My name is Amita, and in this video I'm going to discuss about a very important video editing tool, that is a Wondershare Filmora. Filmora is a video editing tool by which you can edit your already recorded videos on personal computers. Dear friends, it's a well-proven fact that videos always create a great impact on the human mind, and this is the fact. Because of that, videos are always preferable to transfer the knowledge or information or a views on a various kind of platforms. It may be in social media platforms, or it may be in infographic platforms like your YouTube. Dear friends, right now the YouTube can be considered as a replacement of a TV. If you see the new generation, they don't have much interest in TVs. Now they are seeing the YouTube for their infotainment. So YouTube is basically, it's a medium of an info entertainment. Dear friends, now without wasting time, I'm sharing my screen and will show you how to edit the video, already recorded video, with the help of Filmora. So let's open the screen. I have already downloaded Filmora, so we are supposed to open it. So I have opened Wondershare Filmora. It will take time, so just wait for it. The software is uploading. It's opening. Software is opening. It is loading libraries, and the initialization process is happening. Now this is the default screen. If you are already having the existing project and you want to edit it, you can click on this. Here you can see at the top there is a type of screens are there. Normally if you are working on PC, that 16:9 screen is you are supposed to select it, and other screens are also there. Like if you want to create a video for the Instagram, 1:1 ratio, you are supposed to take cinema, it's 21.9. So since I am creating this video which can run on PCs, so I will select this 16:9 ratio. And then there are two options are coming. One is new project, another is open project. So if you have already created a project and if you want to edit it, you can click on this open project. Since I want to create a new project, so I will click on this. So once you open the new project, that kind of default screen will appear in front of you. Now the first thing is, at the top you can see media, audio, titles, transitions, effects, elements, and split screen. Here you can see file, edit, file. If you click file, you can create new project from here also. You can open the project, you can open the recent one, you can import media from here also, download media, record media. So a lot of options are coming. Similarly, edit, tools, views, and all these things are coming. Now the first thing is, this is the basically here the project will, you can edit the project at this timeline. This is the timeline. You can see that this is the first, it has been written here first. So what it means that and the video kind of thing is appearing here, video icon is appearing here. That means here you can, this is the screen where you can upload the video, and here you can see that another one which is a audio timeline. So whatever audio files you want to add it, you can upload at this audio timeline. So the first thing is, we are supposed to import the video which we have been already recorded. I have already recorded. So you can go for import media files. Once you go for import media files, then we, as I have already recorded with the help of Zoom, so I am taking one file. So I am importing the one file. Let's see, I am importing this file, Zoom 15. So I have already imported the file. Now you can see here, already the file has been imported. So you can see at the center of this, if you want to edit this video, at the center of it, there is a plus sign is coming. If you click on this plus sign, it will be automatically added in your timeline. Before adding in your timeline, it will ask that what kind of FPS file you want. So I want keep project setting. 1920 1080. So once I click it, already that video file has been appeared on the video timeline. Now you can see here, along with the video, at downside of the video, the audio part is also coming, and you can see that for some duration the audio is missing. So if you want to edit that part, like somewhere while you are doing recording, you have not said anything and you want to remove that part, so what you can do, you can go, this is the kind of cursor, you can move this cursor. Suppose at last from this position to this position, I am not saying anything. So what you can do, you can keep that cursor at this position and you are supposed to click at this scissor. So once I click on it, the both side part of the video will be separated. And I don't want up to this portion. So what I can do, after click on this scissor, I can select that portion and I can delete it. Now you can see here that the last portion, when I was not, last part of the video when I was not saying, it has been already removed. So this is how you can remove the portion where you are not saying anything. Like here at this point also I am not saying anything, so I will keep the cursor at that place and then we'll click on scissor, and this part and this part has been separated now. But I want this part because after this I am saying something, so I want to remove only the part which is started from this and ends at that. So what I will do, I will again move the cursor at this position, will click on this. Now I have to select the portion. Suppose I want to remove this, I will put my cursor and click on it. So you can see that the color of this part has been changed and I can delete it. So this is how you can remove that part from your already recorded video where you are not saying anything. So this is how you can remove any part of the video which you don't want that it should be the part of your video. Apart from that, after recording, after editing your video, now suppose at the starting you want to add some starting slides. So what you can do, you can go to titles, and there are a lot of kind of titles are there, custom, then openers, these are the options. So you can choose any kind of opener. Suppose I am choosing this opener, so it's already there. So now you can see the opener is coming at the upper timeline, so not a problem. What you can do, right now the opener and the some part of the video are overlapping. So what you can do, you can click on this video and you can drag it after the opener. Now you can go to the opener and whatever you want to write, you can write. Suppose I want to write here, welcome to this video. Okay, and suppose you want to doctor, you want to give your name, so I can mention my name, Amita Maho. So this is how. And apart from that, if you want to change the font style, you can change like this. You can see that the font style are changing. Like suppose if I want like this, you can make it. You can change the font size also. Suppose I want to make it 32. You can make it bold also. You can make it italic also. You can do the right align, center align, any kind of alignment you can do it. Apart from that, these are the text styles. Like if you go for this kind of text style, you can see already the text style is changing. That kind of any kind of text style you can check. Now if you want to go for advanced features, if you click on this, there are advanced feature. You can change the alignment, you can change the text fill. Right now the text is coming with this color, you can change the color. Suppose if I am changing it with, now you can see it's already brown. If you want to do the effect, like if you want that kind of shadow effect, you can do it. Opacity, say, you can see that the brightness is changing. So normal condition pe you can make it at 100%. Apart from that, you can set the blur, like this kind of, if you can reduce, that kind of things will come. So blurring also you can set. And you can see whenever I am increasing this, suppose if you are moving this, already the percentage at that opacity is changing. And if I also change its position accordingly, the numbers written here, it is also changing. Now it is asking for the text border. Suppose if you want any border, right now it is pink. If I want it this color, you can see that on text border is also coming. Again, border ka opacity and blurriness you can change. You can change the sizes also, border ke sizes also you can change. So this is how you can change. Now if you want to add the text shadow, so you can, like, what kind of shadow you want. If you want like this, and color what you want, suppose I want the shadow in white color, so you can do like this. Apart from that, you can again change the opacity and all those things. And now at last, what we can do, we can close it. It will ask for the changes, save changes. So we have already done the changes. Now I already told you how to add the openers. There are a lot of templates are there for the openers. You can choose any template and you can add it. Suppose now if I run it, if you want to see how it is running, so you can go here and you can run it. So this is how your video is going to run. Now here you can see this is the duration mentioned. Like if you want in a small step size, what you can do like this. As you increase the length of the video, the duration at which the video is appearing, that is going to increase. Like here, this is for hour, this is for minute, this is for second. This is our minute and second. So the length of this video you can see from here, it is a 25-minute 15-second video. Now apart from that, suppose again I am reducing the size. Now suppose at when this opener page is coming, if you want to add some music, what you can do, you are supposed to bring at the beginning, then go to audio files. There are a lot of audio files options are there. Electronic, sound effect, my music, tender and sentimental, young and bright. Suppose tender sentimental mein I want to add this Benjamin Thompson. So once I add it, that audio file has been already added. Now you can go at the starting, and what you can do, I want this audio file up to this position, because after that the video is starting and I want my video audio. So we want the audio only up to this part. So what you can do, you can go to that position. After that you don't want that audio file, so what you can do, you can go and click on this scissor and select that part which you want to delete it, and then press the delete button. So now you can see that additional audio is coming only for the opener, and after that only the video and audio file is coming. Now you can see how when we will run, how it will appear. Now you can see it is giving some audio when the opener is there, and later on the video, original video has been started. Now apart from that, like suppose you want that when your video is starting, you want that here your name is should appear. So what you can do, you can go to titles, and you can go to, lot of options are there. You can go to low third. Suppose you can choose the style. I want the title with this kind of slide. So once you click it, you can see here the title name is coming. You are supposed to double click on that, and here you can give your name. So like Dr. Amita Mahor, I have given my name, and you can change the font styles also. You can change the font size, bold, italic, all these things you can do, and you can do it. Okay. Now once you do it, you can see as soon as your video will come, your name will also appearing. Right now the opener page is there, and see that name is coming. So this is how, if you want to add any note while your video is going on, you can use this particular feature. You can use these subtitles also, and there is an end credit. Suppose after the finish of your video, you want to thank everyone who has watched that video. So what you can do, you can go to the last of your video, you can select this end credit, and you can see any kind of option. Suppose I like this option. So I have added this. You can shift it here, and here you can write like this. Suppose I want thanks for watching this video. I can write thanks for watching this video, and Dr. Amita Maho. At last you want to mention your name also, so like this. Okay, now you can see here it is coming. Now if you want to increase the size, you can increase by this, like this. Now you can see here, suppose at when the end slide is coming, if you want some music because the video music is not there, again what you can do, you can go to audio, and again suppose you want to add this particular audio, you can add it. Now you can see here it is added for a longer duration. So again you are supposed to come to the last of your video, and you need to keep your cursor at the end of your end credits, then click on this, and then select the part of music which you want to remove and delete it. So this is how you can add the end credits. Now you can see here how it is running. Now see here, at last also with the end the music is coming. So this is how you can do. Now the next thing is, suppose if you want to add some transition effect, like how the things are opening. Suppose opener mein, if you want to do add the transition effect, there are a lot of transitions effect, basic 3D and all those things. Basic mein these kind of things you can hit and trial basis pe you can use it. Suppose I like this one feature, I am adding this. See, if I add this kind of transition effect, see how it will run. Now I'm running. See how the slide is coming. Okay, so apart from that, there are others option also, like if you want that kind of opening of your thing, like when your video is coming, the thing should open in that way, so you can use this also. Now see here, when your video will come, how the things will open. So this, that kind of transition effects also you can use it. Apart from that, if you want to add some effects, there are a lot of effects, filter effects. These are the filter effects. If you want to add the effect in your video, suppose I want video like this, I'm using this again effect. So the duration for which this again effect you have added, only for that duration the image is going to have that effect. So let's see how it will appear. I'm starting from here so that you can understand the difference. See, right now the original is there, and see from here where the effect has been added, the picture is in with the added effect. So like this. So you can add the effect also. You can add some elements also, like if you want to add some logos along with your videos, you can add. Suppose I want to add this approved. So suppose I have added here. So only for that duration, whatever element I have added along with your video, that element is going to appear. Now see here, I'm showing you. So that kind of way we can add the effect also, elements also. This is something about the editing steps related to Filmora. So I already briefed how to add the media files and all those things, how to add the audio, how to give the titles in your video, how to add the transitions, how to give the effects, how to add the elements, and how you can split the screen. Now, once you have finished your project, if you want to save it, then you can go file and save projects. So once you save, it will ask for the location where you want to save it. You can give the file name and you can save it. So right now I'm saving it with project 1, V project 1. So you can do it VE project 11. Please mind it, its extension will be WFP Wonder Filmora kind of. Now after doing this, once your video is final, you can, after finalizing each and everything, it is always suggested that you record your video. You, after finish of the editing of your video, You please check it, the video for the complete duration, whether it is working properly or not. Apart from that, like here also, if you by mistake, if you have done some wrong editing, you can undo by clicking on that. You can redo also. You can delete any part. Yeah, this is for if you want to remove any part of the video, that we can do with the help of this. Here also, like suppose if you want to add some your audio along with, like we have added end credit and we have added opener, the audio was not there. Spite of music, if you want to add your own audio, you can open this mic and you whatever you want to say, you can say and you can record it. Apart from that, you can go here. Suppose your recorded voice is suppose it is more. If you want to reduce it, you can change the position of this. By default all are at 0, but you can of course change the position, and you can change the audio of your video. You can see it is for video 1, this is for video. Suppose if you want to it is for video 1 screen, this is for video 2, this is for video 3, and this is for audio. So if you want audio means this one. Suppose Benjamin Thompson audio we have recorded, and if you want to reduce its voice or if you want to increase the voice, that you can do with the help of that. And on the video timeline, that is right now your video is on one timeline. So if you want to change the audio along with that video, that you can do with the help of this. And this is for master, you can set by default it's position at 0, and this also you can change, so it will adjust the voice of the video. So that's it. Now that I already told, with the help of this you can zoom your video, reduce the video, and that's it. Now suppose I've selected this. Once I select, if you want to crop the video part, like suppose I want to crop this part, so what you can do, you can click on that and you can choose. Right now I can choose custom, and what you can do, once I choose the custom, I've cropped the part. Now once you run it, it will be little bit zoom. See how it will run. So suppose for what I have done, that I don't want my image on a complete screen, that I can do it. So this is how you can do it. So this is for cropping. This is suppose if you want to change the speed, if you want to slow the speed of your video, like if you are speaking fastly and if you want to adjust the speed of the pace, you can do with the help of that. With the help of this particular thing, you can change the color corrections, so you can do the color corrections also. And with the help of this, you like whenever you are having green screen, that I will tell you, like suppose if you have recorded your video, that I am going to discuss in my next video. Suppose if you have already recorded video with a rough background, and if you want to change the background, that we can do with the help of this green screen. So my dear friends, now I'm stop sharing my screen. My dear friends, I hope whatever information I have shared in this video related to the editing of an Filmora software, that will be very useful for you. Now start using the editing of your videos with the help of Filmora, and keep watching my videos, because in my next video I'm going to discuss about that how we can change the background of your already recorded video with the help of Filmora. My dear friends, if you like this video, kindly press the like button, and if you feel whenever I make such kind of videos, a notification should reach to you, then don't forget to subscribe my channel.